Nag-aalas po. At sana walang pa rin si ma'am. Kailangan ba na natin si ma'am?
Murag mabot na turon, mga alaas.
Sige, sige.
Okay, so good morning, class.
Sorry, Ma'am, I'm late.
Okay, take your seat.
It's okay.
Hi, classmate. Eyes on me. So, as your president, so I have the important announcement to this class. So, as per Ma'am Amores, so we have a quiz ongoing next week. So, you need to study, okay?
Napon, huwag kayo mentally ready.
Actually, that's what I want to talk about.
Okay.
It's okay, guys. Madali lang naman yun. We need to study lang talaga.
So guys, I noticed na stress dito ang tanan. So gagama dito ko GC. Naralan tawan ninyo.
Stop.
Siya. Ang tawag sa atong GC kay Mental Health Check-in GC. So diri na GC, magsenda na ita og mga codes na mga positive para maano pa data ang mga mawala ang mga stress.
Oh, that's nice. Nice idea.
Add mo?
Yeah. Pwede ako na lang iunaan tapos
Ah,
ako
sige.
add nila.
Oh yes, long as ready na ka, punta na ako mag-breakdown to 4 a.m. ha.
Ay, wow.
Wow.
Okay. Naad na mo tanan?
Wait lang ako pa yan.
Okay, check.
Okay, naan na ka?
Yes, naan na
Okay,
ka.
sorry. Okay, naan ka?
Pang-send mo dito ko.
I love this initiative. Mental health matters, and even if small reminders can help.
Yeah. Okay kami ah. Hi.
Hoy, ikaw na lang wala nakapos sa GC na to. Okay lang, ha?
Basta makapoy dun sa bayo kay Gugan, financial problem, family problem, tapos dari pa sa campus.
Oh, I'm really sorry about that. Pero, if na kay time, you can also check sa GC, which is makakita ka dito mga good quote, which is ma-motivate ka sa imong everyday life. And also, if naka-share, pwede mo kang mag-post dito.
Yeah, do. Air ka ulan na ma-open up sa ako. Thank you.
Okay, so don't forget that you have your classmate. We always have your back. Okay?
So, Mia, saan ka ba? Pwede ka ma-share sa course. Actually, ma'am, Daghan situation ma'am kay financial problem, family problem ba tapos ano pagka-stage sa akong life mo kay explore ko po ma'am. Lisod pa kayo Panginoon magalingon diri pa po like kanon ni si President na po na increase Dungan siya kay finals na po ako ba mag-ispat ako kay finals na like Mia kung unsa man gyud imong problema i-share na mo ayaw ko ana imong struggle kay kabalo ko pag imo na i-share malagpasan mo na imong tanan okay you're not alone you have your classmates and your honesty helps others too. Thank you ma'am. Thank you.
So imagine if every class will do this.
Mental health support doesn't need money, just kindness.
This is our advocacy, which is Mental Health Check in GC, the GC that changed your class.
We check in because mental health matters.
We check in because mental health matters.
We check in because mental health matters.